Hello and welcome to this tutorial on what is JavaScript for beginners. JavaScript is a popular programming language that is used to create dynamic and interactive websites. In the upcoming videos, I'll explain what JavaScript is, what it can do, and why it's important. Part 1. What is JavaScript? JavaScript is a programming language that runs in web browsers and allows developers to create interactive and dynamic websites. It was created in 1995 by Brendan Eich and has since become one of the most popular programming languages in the world. In the upcoming videos, I'll explain how JavaScript works and why it's important for web development. Part 2. What can JavaScript do? JavaScript is a versatile language that can be used for a wide range of tasks, from creating simple animations and interactive forms to building complex web applications. In the upcoming videos, I'll provide examples of what JavaScript can do and show you how it's used in real-world web development projects. Part 3. Why is JavaScript important? JavaScript is an essential tool for web developers because it allows them to create dynamic and interactive websites that engage users and provide a better user experience. It's also a key skill for anyone who wants to work in web development, as most web development jobs require knowledge of JavaScript. Conclusion. JavaScript is a powerful and versatile programming language that is essential for web development. By understanding what JavaScript is, what it can do, and why it's important, you'll be on your way to becoming a successful web developer. I hope this video has been helpful in teaching you the basics of what is JavaScript. Thanks for watching.